Good day, sir. I hope this video finds you well and kanang makasabot mo ka sa wang presentation, sir. So, let's start. So, about me, sir. I am Aikiven and Makadaig and 18 years old and living in Poblacion Sawang, Lobok, Bohol. So, I'm taking up BSBA Marketing Management 1 and under the Department of College of Business and Accountancy. So, our topic for today is about the factors influencing buyer behavior. So, there are four factors influencing consumer buying behavior. So, the contents of this presentation. So, kinonan is what is consumer buying behavior? Kadua, why do marketers need to study consumer buyer behavior? Cultural factors, social factors, personal factors, and psychological factors. So, introduction. In earlier times, marketers could understand consumers well through the daily experience of selling to them. But as firms and marketers have grown in size, many marketing decision makers have lost direct contact with their customers and must now turn to consumer research. They spend more money than ever to study consumers, trying to learn more about consumer buyer behavior. And understanding consumer buyer behavior is crucial for business aiming to meet customer needs effectively. And this multifaceted phenomenon encompasses various stages from problem recognition and information search to post-purchase decision and providing a framework for marketers to comprehend and adapt their strategies in a dynamic marketplace. Consumer buying behavior. So, what is consumer buying behavior? Ang consumer buying behavior is the buying behavior of final consumers, individuals, and households who buy goods and services for personal consumption. Kaning buying behavior is kanang muna siya mga buying behavior sa itong mga customer kung nag-stake ka kanang business, kung naka sa business na field is you need as a businessman ka, you need to study your consumer buying behavior because kay mako mag-impact ni na makapekto sa imuhang kanang sa product nimo aron mo growth imong product. So consumer buying behavior is how people feel and think when they are deciding whether to buy a product. Kaning consumer buying behavior is giunsa sa mga tao pag-decide o kanang pag-decide nila na mopalit sila sa usa ka product. And then in the study of a consumer behavior, researchers and marketers might examine what people buy, unsay mga gipamalit sa tong mga tao, sa businessman ka, when and how often they buy, kanusa og ikapila sila ni palit sa imong product or sa usa ka product, and how often they buy it, where they usually buy it, why they buy it, and more. So one of the concept of behaviors consumers buy different product is based on their preferences. That we know that people has a different preferences regarding on a product they want to purchase and how they judge it or kanang ginsa nila pagunahuna sa kung kano sa sila mo palit sa product or usay lang kanang bitang pag usay pananaw nila sa usa ka product, and which are influenced by various factors such as the personal taste. Kung usay taste sa usa ka consumer is that kanang unsa may kanang gusto niya sa usa ka product or what type of, for example, what type of color, unsa na model sa, for example, sa sakyanan, unsay favorite niya na color, unsay gusto niya na kanang unsay gusto niya na model, kanang gamit sa mga 7-seaters, mga yanap sa mga sakyanan. And then lifestyle, unsay naapekto sa iyang lifestyle, for example sa iyang mga gipangbuhat adlaw, unsay mga pattern of living niya. Then cultural background, social influences, and perceived value. So these preferences can be shaped by advertising. As a marketer ka or in the field of business ka or employee ka sa usa ka business, kung mag-state ka usa ka advertisement regarding sa imong product is consumers rely on kanabitang magkuan sila kanang searching for or kanang for example nag-show na kag advertisement sa imong product o ang mga consumer na is ma-entice especially sa mga consumers na kana bitang interested sila sa imong product na gihandya. And peer recommendations, for example sa mga barkada kanang na sila yung mga product na gi-recommend nimo, then as a consumer ka kanang dali ra ka madabi taw niya mana mapalit na kana kay na makay gina-influensyahan to kasi imong mga narekomendan kag products imong mga peers. Brand loyalty, pricing, and the overall perceived benefits of a product. Ultimately, consumer choices are complex and often blend of rational and emotional factors. And why do marketers need to study consumer buying behavior? So, studying consumer buyer behavior helps marketers see what consumers want and their reasons choosing certain products over others. By understanding consumers' reactions, goods, and marketing, they can analyze their audience needs and expectations and thus work toward meeting them. So marketers need to study parang yung ganiya. Marketers need to study kay kung si buying behavior sa usa ka consumer is ana mo nagabase ang needs nila and wants through your product. For example, ikaw as a marketer ka kanang kung si kinahanglan sa ato ang consumer is ihatag yun nimo, dapat you make them satisfied with your product and understand their reactions or kanang making them realize na it is kanang imong gihatag nila ang imong best to satisfy their needs. And it is also important for retailers and companies to keep up to date with shifting trends in taste, needs, and economics, as these factors can affect consumer behavior and require further adjustments in both marketing and production. So, as a for example, retailer ka, importante pa na sa mga retailer o sa mga companies na ma-up to date kanila sa ilang mga kinahanglang paliton. For example, kanang artista na si Harting Evangelista o di ba tig-promote na nasa fashion na industry. O siya may tig advertise o siya may model sa mga fashion sa Europe, and then siya may tig promote na mag-create sa mga video aron ang mga uba pang mga tao kato mga maka-afford sa iyang product is ma-entice pod, palit pod. And that's the way how can I make or your business grown. Muna yung first factor na makaapekto sa buying behavior. Cultural factors exert a very broad and deep influence of consumer behavior. So, first is culture, the set of basic values, perceptions, wants, and behavior learned by a member of society from family or important instructions. Ang kinuha dyan is ang culture. So, why culture? Muna makapekto man sa consumer buying behavior. Especially, ang culture man god is, for example, kanang natin mga gitawag na global market. Like, kanang mga example sa mga kumpanya na is kanang mga Jollibee, tal example. Ang Jollibee is dili ra biya na siya sa kailangan ang Jollibee man god is first kanang target nila is kanang mga di ba sa mga bata man, and then when they rely on kanang kung magtukon na sila sa different countries na ba yung mga countries na lahi ilang culture di pareha sa ato. That's why katong mga marketers or mga employees sa Jollibee is ilang gi-study na dapat ang ilang business dili makapekto sa culture sa usa ka country, kaya because we have different culture dapat paniniwala. And then for example kita sa India sa lugar na sa for example sa India tali bawal sila kanang karne or bawal sila mga beef, for example bawal sila beef ha. And then katong mga beef steak sa Jollibee, kitay magtukod ang Jollibee sa India is that dili sila mo offer og ng beef steak mangingana, dili sila mo offer na kay bawal man sa ilaha as respect sa ilang culture. So mo nang parang aron mahalin po ilang product, ilang gi-study ang about sa culture. Then subculture is a group of people with shared value systems based on common life experiences and situations. Nationality, for example, mga nationality, religion, racial groups and geographic regions. So kani mga subculture is muna yung mga example na kanang mga Hispanic, American, Asians muna sila na atong istudyon po mura sa culture na kailangan istudyan po na sa mga marketers aron dili mapektuhan ang ilahang market. And social class are societies relatively permanent and ordered decisions whose members share the similar values, interests, and behaviors. And it is measured as a combination of occupation, income, education, wealth, and other variables. So social class, as we know na people within the society or in the world has different social class na tinatawag na upper class, middle class, and lower class. So sa mga upper class kanina mga dato na mga president na mga including mga CEO, mga tigag, mga bisag usang mga negosyo. Middle class ang kanang mga sakto-sakto ra, and lower class kanang mga squatter kitali, mga barong-barong ilang mga bay or kanang walay mga trabaho ng mga tao. So may na natong social class kay based on gumitag social class based on the occupation o say trabaho sa usa ka tawo. Then as a marketer ka or in the field of business is it is important na i-study ang social class kay kinsa may mapalit sa imuhang mga tinda if ever na for example imong ikatagiya sa Starbucks ikaw sa Starbucks alangan ang target na location nimo is sa mga squatter area, dapat ato ka sa mga halinunon, for example mga universities naka sa urban or nasa mga city nga na dapat ato ka mo kan kay you're just basing on social classes of a human person kay for example ato ka sa squatter kasi mo palit sa imuhang kuan sa imuhang Starbucks sa kape nimo wala, dapat you need to study kay usa po na sa makapekto sa buying behavior kay kung higher income or higher na mga kung maka-afford ka sa product na mga mahalon is nadyo ka sa upper class mako dyan ka ng bira sa imong negosyo na mahalin imong tinda. Next is social factors. A consumer's behavior influenced by social factors such as consumer small groups, social networks, family, and status. So first is the groups and social networks. Kani sila mga groups and social networks kung asa ta nabilong ng mga grupo sa usa ka society. So first is the membership group. Ang membership group is where a person kung asa nabilong ang usa ka tawo, whether the organization or sa usa ka kuan, for example sa eskwelahan mangana ba kung asa nabilong, asa siya part. For example, ni apil ka mga organization like dancing group nga na kung asa ka na mo na imong membership group. Aspirational group is kanang gusto sa usa ka tawo na mabilong ana murag aspirational niya. Reference group is a combination of kuan mo na imong reference group including your peers mga good may mga reference group nimo. Next is family, the most important consumer buying organization in society. So family ang family may importante ang consumer buying organization sa society kay first is that kanang ang usa ka consumer is usa siya maka-decide sa mga pamilitunon niya is ma-influensyahan niya sa family. For example, bata ka musukan kasi mo papa paliti ko na product pa paliti ko duaan kay kuan mo na ang family remains as the important consumer buying organization in society. Next is social rule and status can be defined in a person's position in a group. Example, clubs, orgs, and communities. O ang social rule and status istudiyat man isa sa mga marketers or sa mga business researchers kay kung say position sa usa ka tawo sa usa ka organization, for example ikaw president nga na ba mo na istudyan ba nila. Next is the personal factors influenced by personal characteristics such as their occupation, age and life cycle stage, economic situation, lifestyle, personality, and self-concept. So, first is the occupation. It affects the goods and services brought by consumers. O, para sa social class, ang occupation is makaapekto na siya sa buying behavior sa usa ka consumer. Kay ngano kung naka sa higher income, kung nakay dato ka, maka-afford ka na product, kung pobre ka, di ka ka-afford. Kay mong paliton kung pobre ka, paliton nimo is mga barato ra gyud. then high quality. Kung sa mga dato ka kanang mahal gyud na kanang nag-inusara gyud na product mo na yung mga occupation na istadiyan yun nato kay if you have the higher income you can buy more products. Kung gamay ka kwarta you can buy less products. Now age and life cycle stage. Buying is a stage through which families might pass as they mature over time. For example, marriage, kids, personal income, savings, and interest rates. So, para na sa picture, muna yung nag-show na male age and female age kanang life cycle stage. Pag ika sa bata o nanginanan siya kanang mga duwaan, mga teddy bear, soccer na, antun magkadugay mo nang sa marketers ka, kaya kung kisim mga kikita yung target na consumers ka mga dato, maliga ka sa mga dato pambata na kuan din para sa mga teenagers, para sa mga adolescents sa stage, or para sa mga builders o kanang mga 30 plus na mga idaran. Muna bagyanin mo mga product, dapat kay usub-usub ba ang gusto, ang needs sa usa ka tawo kay as their life has changed or as their kanang ilang kagustuhan is kanang maupod. And next is economic situation. Marketers watch trends in spending, personal income, savings, and interest rates. So, ang mga marketers po is mag-rely sila sa mga personal incomes, savings, and interest rates sa mga consumers. Dapat sila mga focus. For example, namaligya kag sakyanan, dapat interviewon nimo ang imong consumer na ma-afford ba na nimong palit, maapas ba na nimong bayad. Dapat munay muhang kanang bantayan. Lifestyle is a person's pattern of living as expressed in his or her psychographics. O man ang lifestyle pattern of living sa usa ka tawo. First is activities. Ang activities mga gipangbuhat nimo sa adlaw, interest, mga gustuhan nimo. For example, kinakang driving, opinions imo mga maingon sa adlaw or mga opinions imo. Next is personality and self-concept. Personality refers to the unique psychological characteristics of a human person or a group. So muna personality sa usa ka tawo atong unique psychological characteristics on how we can see or how our behavior trying to share with others or ginsa nato kanang unsay matong mga personality, maybe we are good or we are bad or we are kanang disagree bata sa product na or agree bata sa product na tong gipalit mo mag-base po ng usa ka marketer na kung tunong ba dyan ang personality sa consumer o sa product. Next is self-concept. The idea that people possessions contribute to reflect their identities. We are what we consume. Muna ang self-concept. Unsa may kanang mo possess na mo reflect sa identity sa usa ka tawo kanang mo dyan yung kung gipalit kay mo niya kung gusto yan na ba mo na yung self-concept kanang imong kagalingon na dyan decision. Number 6 and last factor of consumer buying behavior is the psychological factors. It is further influenced by 4 main psychological factors. So first is motive, is a need that sufficiently pressing to direct the person to seek satisfaction. O ang usa jud ka consumer is di na mo ang purpose na mo palit sa sakong consumer na product is motive. Mo sa may naka-motivate nimo na mo palit ka sa product. For example, you have a dream phone kanang nakay-dream phone. Then usa may na mo ni mo motivation gusto ko ani matigom ko kwarta kay magpalit ko. Mo ni mo motivation. Perception is a process by which people select, organize, and interpret information to form a meaningful picture of the world. So ang perception ganing is expressed by how people select, organize o select yun sa nila pag select sa usa ka product. For example, na iPhone, na Samsung, kung asa may mas barato o kanang high quality na camera ato ka mo palit mo ni mong perception usa may kanang maingoni or ma-perceive nimo sa usa ka product. Learning describe the changes in an individual's behavior arising from experience. It occurs through interplay of drive stimuli, cues, responses, and reinforcement. So learning, ang usa ka learning magod once a consumer has as kanang or done sa yung information searching, kung maka-learn na siya sa product is that kanang nana siya kanang pili ma-connect mo na siya sa brand loyalty. Kay for example na kay learning sa ka product, kung mudo ka sa ka mall mong pili kag na Nivea na Silka, kung kay na makay learning ini kita for example fan kag mga Nivea na lotion, kung muno ka tong di na jud ka ma di na jud ka mangunahuna na wala sa may palito na di na ka magpili-pili kay you have the knowledge or you have the knowledge or the background of the product, because you kanang na nagabalik pa rin nakasige na nakagain na kag mga knowledge or kanang usay nakatag sa na product. So that's why learning describe the changes of individuals behavior, ma-change yun na once na naka-encounter na nila ang usa ka product. Beliefs and attitudes. Belief is a descriptive thought that a person holds something about something. Mo na descriptive thought, belief, pagtuo nimo sa usa ka product. For example, ang pet ko ganang Nivea na lotion kay makaputi kayo, o man mo mga belief. Attitude describes a person's relatively consistent evaluations, feelings, and tendencies towards an object or idea. So nga attitude kini is that kanang mo na nag-consistent evaluation sa usa ka tawo, whether you dislike or kanang like the product you have been or you want to purchase. Mo na imong attitude kanang sigurado na ba ko ani na mo palit ko. Usap mo na ang attitude. Mo ni ang nakapakita o kaning Maslow hierarchy of needs. Muna sila tong gitawag sa motivation na siya. First is the psychological needs, safety needs, belongingness, esteem needs, and self-actualization. Kani psychological needs o kinahanglan nato sa tong mga natag unsa may kanang makakuha nato, maka-execute ko makapalit ko ani magtinarong ko eskwela aron makapalit ko ni na product, aning cellphone kanang pangandoy na ko na cellphone. Yan na. Safety needs kanang security nato kanang mga seguridad nato. Belongingness and love needs, kaning belongingness and love needs mo na problema sa mga kasagaran sa mga dato kay kay busy sila mga ginikanan kita yung mga anak no busy lang mga ginikanan, so they don't have a belongingness, they don't have a sense of belongingness and love that their parents can give to them. Nga na ba kanang wala sila kanang kuan. That's why marketers kanang studying makapikto po na siya sa kuan esteem needs and self-actualization. And for the conclusion and to end this discussion, the marketer's job is to understand the buyer's behavior at each stage and the influences that are operating. This allows the marketer to develop a significant and effective marketing program for the target market. With regard to new products, consumers respond at different rates depending on consumers' characteristics and the product's characteristics. Manufacturers try to bring their new products to the attention of potential early adopters, particularly those with opinion characteristics. So a person's buying behavior is the result of the complex interplay of all these cultural, social, personal, and psychological factors. And although marketers cannot control many of these factors, they are useful in identifying and understanding the consumers that marketers are trying to influence. So, muna akong references na gikuha sa akong report. And thank you. And this will end our discussions, and hope sir na masabtan nimo ako ang presentation. Advance Merry Christmas sir.